hati-hati. Di sini ada terowongan teman-teman. Ayo merunduk.
Please and like
Merunduk,
and
bagus,
subscribe, guys.
bagus. Rafa berhasil.
Hello guys, we're playing the car. Let's go. What is that? I see something there. Oh my.
Wow, what did you find, Faiz?
Look there.
Oh my gosh, there are so many Avengers here. Wow, can you count it? How many there? I think the Avenger needs your help. Bill.
Oh.
Who put in the car? Rafa, what did you get, Rafa? Ironman.
I just one block I can carry.
Okay, take one more.
Just one I can carry.
Oh no!
I guess you can bring it 3.
I not can do it.
What is that? Superman.
Yeah.
Okay. Rafa, what did you get, Rafa?
Just 2 I can
All right.
carry.
Put there.
Just 2 I can carry, Bunda.
Just 2. Are you sure? Maybe you can put it one more here.
Oh, that's too cool.
What is this?
Spiderman.
Spiderman. Rafa, temukan apa, Rafa?
I can carry 4.
Ya, masukkan. Can carry it 4. And take the last one. What is this?
Spiderman.
Spiderman also. Come on. And Rafa, what did you get? Captain America.
Yes,
Put there. Oh, Faiz and Rafa get so many Avengers in their car. Come on, let's go.
Here. I see one
Oh.
next here, Bunda. Oh, there's Rafa. Oh. We need to shovel.
Shovel. Okay, let's see. Find the shovel. Look around here. Where did you get it, Faiz?
Oh, I found them.
Wow, there is a shovel over there. Thor. Thor give us shovel here.
A truck.
And the truck also. Hello, Thor. Can you help me? I need your truck and shovel. Can you borrow us?
Oh yeah!
Okay, let's go, Faiz and Rafa. Take it.
Wow.
Take it.
Come on. You can do this. Yes.
Yep, good.
Oh, no problem. Oops. I'm just one block to the pole. Sand fall out. Where the sand? I not see the sand. I not see the sand. Where is
Hey,
beep, beep. Sudah.
nah.
Ayo.
Teman-teman, karena tempatnya kecil, kita pindahin dulu ke truk besar ya, Avengernya. Satu lagi, Faiz, can you move the Ironmans and the Avengers on the truck? Okay, let's go. Let's
Let's
go find. We find other Avenger. Oh, I think there is another hole here. Oh, there are so many Avengers. Faiz, can you help the Avengers?
Help me, please, somebody help me.
Masuk mobil besar, Pak. In the hole, please. Thank you. Okay, let's go, everybody. Come on here.
Let's go to the
Wow, Faiz, there is a... What is this? Come on, be careful. Avenger. Careful, Avenger. Beep. Oh my God. Yep. More go. Hati-hati. Hati-hati. Di sini ada terowongan, teman-teman.
Okay.
Hati-hati.
Yes. Bisa masuk.
Come on, let's go terus.
Yes.
Faiz, I think the Captain America need your help too, Faiz.
Over here.
Mobil. Okay.
I got it.
Come on, let's go there.
Let's go. Sultan, kamu terlambat.
Huh?
Oh my God, they're surrounded by weather. They're surrounded with dusty health with pantai. They're surrounded. Oh, what is this? A big.
Can you get down to the hole, please? You need to help them. Help.
This stuff.
Come on, give it the Batman and Spiderman to Rafa, and Rafa will put it in the truck.
Okay.
Satu detik.
Dengan tangannya.
Rafa.
Take this.
Rafa.
Take this. Rafa, take this.
Okay, I will help you. Bring here. Oh my God! Look at this one. Batman is very dirty,
Wet.
I guess, and wet. Kasihan ya, it's poor Batman.
Oh no.
Okay, Batman, we will save you. Put in. And the other one, the last one, Faiz. Spiderman, can you help there? The Spiderman. Alright, oh, poor Spiderman. The spider is very wet and dirty. Look at these ones. Full of the sand here. And we will clean it up after this. Put here. Oh my God. Be careful. Oh, climbing. You try climbing and
yeah.
we will be stuck.